Hello, this is a follow-up video for the basil seed germination. It is almost second week. Today is a 14th day. So I'm going to open this ziplock 14 day before we have placed some seeds in a paper towel and hydrogen peroxide and water. You can see. So if you see very carefully here, you can see this seed have very good germination, and I can see one more. So there are 3 seeds have germinated. Oh, this is stuck with this one, so you have to be a little bit carefully. So you can see very nicely these seeds are germinated, and some of them are still germinating. You can see this one is also, and if you see the other guys, they may also come out, so I will leave them as such with some more water and hydrogen peroxide. And today I am going to sow these seeds, germinated seed, into the pot. So here I have taken some honey and then cinnamon powder. So basically this is very good mixture, make a mixture as a rooting for the plants, and it serves as an antibacterial and antifungal, so seeds can grow, or it's like a rooting for the plants. So I will take a small pinch in my hand, and then we'll make a hole here in this. So we'll soak these seeds with the help of this. And then cover them. So it's very easy method to germinate seeds. So basically I will just add some of the mixture of honey and cinnamon powder. Here I left this green leaf is coming out, so I just left it outside, and then one more hole. Today is very good weather, so, and we'll see after some time how they are growing, and we'll add some water. So that's it. So this is the very nice method to germinate seeds in the paper towel and envelope, this ziplock. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have any question, please feel free to type a comment, and I will check after some time how these are growing in this pot. Okay, till bye.